Hello children, this is your computer teacher. In computer, which topic was going on? Evolution of computer. So, today we will do the exercises of this chapter. So, let's get started. A is filling the blanks. First is the first mechanical calculating device was abacus. As you all know, the first mechanical calculating device was the abacus. Second is Dash invented the first mechanical calculator, Pascaline. As you know, Pascaline. Pascaline name is by the Pascal. So the right answer is Blaise Pascal. Third is Dash is the world's fastest supercomputer. The world's fastest supercomputer is Sumit. So the right answer is Sumit. Fourth is the first general purpose electronic computer was ENIAC. ENIAC was the first general purpose electronic computer. Fifth is analytical engine was invented in 1833. In 1833, Charles Babbage developed analytical engine. Now let's see the true false. First is UNIVAC first was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. This is true. Second is Charles Babbage invented the difference engine in 1822. This is also true. Third is the first generation computers used transistor technology. As we know, in first generation transistors were not developed. Only vacuum tube was used. So this is false. Now fourth is Mark I was invented by J. Presper Eckert. As we know, Mark I was developed by Howard Aiken. So this is false. Fifth is George Boole designed the Boolean logic. This is true. As you can see, Boolean name is given by Boole. Now let's see the application based questions. First is Raman is working in the National Weather Forecasting Agency. Which type of a computer is he using to forecast the weather conditions? As we know, for forecasting the weather, we use the most powerful supercomputer. So the right answer is supercomputer. Second is which type of computers does Indian Railways use for the booking and cancellation of tickets? As we know, Indian Railways and airlines use mainframe computers for the booking and cancellation of tickets. So the right answer is mainframe computers. Now let's see the match the following. First is Lady Augusta Lovelace. Lady Augusta Lovelace was the first programmer. So match it with first programmer. Second is second generation computers. In second generation computers, transistors were developed. So we will match it with transistor. Third is Herman Hollerith. He has developed tabulating machine. So we will match it with tabulating machine. Third generation computers use integrated circuits. So we will match it with integrated circuits. And analytical engine was developed in 1833. So we will match it with 1833. Now next thing is multiple choice questions. The first is the era of first generation computers was. It was 1940 to 1956. Second is Dash is an example of supercomputer. Answer is Cray first. Cray first is an example of supercomputer. Third is Dash are used in homes, schools, shops, office, banks, etc. As we know, microcomputers are used in homes. Mini computers are used in big organizations, banks, etc. And supercomputers are used in the weather forecasting by the scientists and engineers. Fourth is Dash technology was used in second generation computers. As we know, transistors were developed in second generation. Vacuum tubes were used in first generation and integrated circuits were used in third generation. Fifth is Dash language was used in first generation of computers. As we know, machine language was used in first generation of computers. So children, now I hope that all your doubts from the chapter are clear now. If still you are having any kind of doubt, you can ask to me. From the next week, we will start the new chapter. So this much for today. Thank you and bye-bye.